Good morning, children. Sairam. Last class we saw conversion of, in chapter number 2 Roman numerals, we saw the conversion of Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numerals and Indo-Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Isn't it, children? Yes, till that you're clear? So today we are going to see the addition and subtraction of the Roman numerals. Are you all ready? Yes. So find the value of the following Roman numerals. What you're going to see? Find the value of the following Roman numerals. So if it is given in Roman numerals, what you have to do that? You have to convert that first into Indo-Arabic numerals, and then you have to add one answer you'll get right. That again you have to change into Roman numeral. Yes. Let me repeat one more time. The question, it is given in Roman numeral, isn't it? That you're going to change it into Roman numeral into Indo-Arabic numeral. So after that you have to add that, or add or subtract an answer. After one answer you'll get right, and then you're going to change that answer into Roman numeral. Shall we see? So first one, L, X. Listen carefully, children. L, X, 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 I, V, plus you're going to add L, X, 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 I, V, plus X, X, V, I. X, X, V, I. So first what you have to do? We have to find the value. We have to find out the value in the Indo-Arabic number. Shall we see that? So first take the first one. L, X, 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 I, V. Shall we see the value? Yes, in the Indo-Arabic number. Can we change into Indo-Arabic number? Yes. What you have to do? Now add all these things. L plus, X plus, X plus, X plus, C, I, V. I, V, you're going to write, you should not write I plus V, right? So if the small number is placed before the larger one, if the smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, you have to subtract that. So that you have to take it separately. You just take that separately. IV, you have to take that separately. So after that, add all together. L plus, X plus, X plus, X plus, IV. Take that all together. IV. IV. So what is the value of L? You all know the value of L, right? In Indo-Arabic number. What is the value of L now? Yes, 50. Very good, children. So 50 plus, what is the value of X? 10. Very good. Value of X is 10. Again, one more X. Yes, 10. Then again, one more X. So 10 plus, what is the value of IV? The smaller one is placed before the larger one. What you have to do? Subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. Which is the bigger one? V, right? So V minus I. What is the value of V? 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So write that there. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4. Now add all together and tell me the answer now, children. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 84. So the answer is 84. So we have find out the value for 1, right? So 1 Roman numeral. Next one. So take the next one. So this one. X, X, V, I. X, X, V, I. Shall we write? X plus, you can write like this also. V plus I. Sorry, X plus, V plus I. Like this also you can write. So X plus, V plus I. If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that, right? So VI is V plus I. So what is the value of X? Yes, very good. Value of X is 10. Again, what is the value of one more X is there? 10. 10 plus 10 plus, what is the value of V? 5 plus I. 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So write 6 there. So now add all together and tell me the answer now, children. 10 plus 10, 20. Very good. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 6, 26. Very good. So the answer is 26. Now shall we add these two? Yes. So LXXIV plus XXVI is equal to, so what is the first one in Indo-Arabic number? 84 plus, so value of XXVI is 26. Now add 84 plus 26. 84, 26. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. 6 plus 4, 10, 0. Balance 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 11. 110. Yes. So the value is 110. Now we are going to change this 110 again into Roman numeral. 110 into Roman numeral. How will you change that? So shall we write like this? 110. 100 plus 10. Shall we? What is the value of, what is the Roman numeral for 100? C. Very good. Roman numeral is C. For 10? X. So the answer is C. X. Clear, children? I'll repeat it one more time. So you're going to add the two Roman numerals, right? So first one, you're going to first change the first one into Indo-Arabic number. Second Roman numeral, change that into Indo-Arabic number. Then add that, and that answer you change into Roman numeral again. L, X, 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 I, V. So how to write? L plus X plus X plus X plus IV. Value of L is 50. X is 10. Again one more X is 10. Plus X, one more X 10. Plus IV. Value of IV is 4. Add all together, the answer is 84. So second one, take the second one. X, X, VI. X plus V plus I or VI. X plus X 10 plus 10 plus VI 6. So answer is 26. Now add 84 plus 26. You will get the answer as 110. Now change that into Roman numeral. So 100 plus 10. 100 plus 10. So Roman numeral for 100 is C. X. So the answer is CX. Shall we move on to the next one? B. B sum. So these sums you have to copy it in your notebook, children. Yes, or you're copying it. So B sum C, C, X, C, I. C, C, X, C, I minus C, V, I. C, C, X, C, I minus C, V, I. So now take the first one, change that into Indo-Arabic number and take the second Roman numeral. That also you change into Indo-Arabic number. Now you're going to subtract these two. One answer you will get right. That answer you're going to change again into Roman numeral. Shall we see that now? So first one, C, C, X, C, I. C, C, X, C, I. Now split that. C plus C plus C. X, C. Smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? Smaller one is placed before the larger one. So again take that separately. X, C plus I. Let me repeat. C plus X, C plus I. C plus X, C plus I. What is the value for C now? 100. Again one more C. 100. What is the value of XC? The smaller one is placed before the larger one. You're going to subtract the larger one C from the smaller one, right? So 100. C. Value of C is 100 minus 10. What is value of 100 minus 10? Yes, 90. So write it down here. 90 plus what is the value of I? 1. Now add all together. 100 plus 100. 200. 200 plus 90. 290 plus 1. 291. Now shall we move on to the next one? So now this you are going to change it into CVI. You are going to change into Indo-Arabic number. C plus V plus I. You can write like this also. C plus V plus I. Yes. What is the value of C? 100. C, what is the value of C? 100 plus, what is the value of V? 5 plus I, 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So I'm writing it directly. VI is 6. Value of VI is 6. So now add 100 plus 6. 106. 100 plus 6. 106. Now what you're going to do? What is the question? You're going to subtract that, right? Now CC XCI minus CVI is equal to, subtract 291 minus 100, 291 minus 106. Now subtract and tell me the answer now, children. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 185. So the answer is 185. Again, this you're going to change it into Roman numeral. 100 plus 80 plus 80 plus 5. Now what is the Roman numeral for 100? C. 80, how to write 80? 50 plus 30. So value of 50 is L 30. X, X, X. So C, L, X, X, X plus 5. V. Roman numeral for 5 is V. So 80 you're going to split into 50 plus. So 80 I'm going to split into 50 plus 50 plus 30. 50 value of 50 is L. 30 X, X, X. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Right, children? So 185 CL X, 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 V. I'm repeating it one more time. CC XCI. Find the value of CC XCI. So now after that find the value of CVI. Then after that subtract that and again change that into Indo-Arabic, Roman numeral. So CC XCI, C plus XC plus I. So value of C is 100 plus 100 plus 90 plus 1. 200, add all together 291. Next CVI. CVI. C plus VI. C plus VI. Add all together C plus C. Value of C is Roman numeral for C. Value for C is 100 plus VI is 6. 106. Now subtract 291 minus 106. So the answer you'll get is 185. That you're going to change it into Roman numeral. So the answer is C L 100 plus 80 plus 5. So C L X X X V. Shall we move on to the next one? Copy this, children. Third one, D X L V I minus C D X X. Let me repeat. D X L V I minus C D X X. First take the first one. Change into Indo-Arabic number. D X L V I. See, the smaller one is, see how to split that. D plus, see, smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? So take that separately. XL plus VI. You can write V plus I also. VI or V plus I. So now D plus XL plus VI or V plus I. So now what is the value for D? You know the value for D, right? Tell me, children, what is the value for D? Yes, 1000. Very good. Value for D is 1000. Now tell me what is the value of XL? What does mean by XL? The smaller one is placed before the larger one. L minus X, right? Value for L is 50 minus X is 10. So 50 minus 10, 40. So write it down. 50 minus 10 plus VI. Value of V is 5 plus I is 1. 5 plus 1. Now add all together 1000 plus 50 minus 10, 40 plus 5 plus 1, 6. Now add all together 1000 plus 40, 1040 plus 6, 1046. So till this clear, children? Now we are going to take the next one. CDXX. CDXX. So now change that into Indo-Arabic number. Again, see, the value of C is smaller, right? So take that separately. CD is smaller. If that is placed before the smaller one, take that separately. CD plus X. As the smaller one is placed before the larger one, take that separately. So CD, what is the value of CD? C, D minus C. What is the meaning of CD? D minus C, right? The smaller one is placed before the larger one. You are going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So D minus C. 9. What is the value of D? 1000 minus C. What is the value of C? 100 plus. What is the value of X? 10 plus one more X. 10. So 1000 minus 100. Subtract 1000 minus 100. 900. Very good. Then 10 plus 10. 20. Now add all together. 900 plus 20. 920. Now what you're going to do? This both you're going to subtract, right? So DXL VI minus CDXX is equal to 1046 minus 920. 1046 minus 920. Now subtract 1046. 920. So what is the answer? 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer is 126. Now this you are going to change it into Roman numeral. 100 plus 20 plus 6. 100 plus 20 plus 6. So value of see, Roman numeral for 100 is C. For 20, 10 plus 10. So X 6. How to write 6 in Roman numeral? VI. So C X VI. Clear, children? I'll repeat it one more time. DXL VI. So D plus XL plus VI. So value for DX is D is 1000 plus XL. L minus X. So 50 minus 10 plus VI. V plus I. 5 plus 1. So 1000 plus 40 plus 6. 1046. Now take the next one. CDXX. CD plus X plus X. Why you're taking that separately? Because C plus D you cannot add, right? Because the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you cannot add. You have to subtract. So D minus C plus 10 plus 10 plus X plus X. So 1000 minus 100 is 900 plus 20, 920. Now subtract these two. 1046 minus 920, 126. Again you change that into Roman numeral. 100 plus 20 plus 6. 100 C, 20 is XX plus 6 is VI. So the answer is C XX VI. Next one. XX IX plus XIV. XX IX plus XIV. What is now? Take the XX IX separately. We are going to change that into Indo-Arabic number. X plus again the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So take that separately. IX X plus IX. What is the value of X? 10 plus again one more X. 10 plus what is value of IX? So X minus I. This means X minus I, right? So the smaller one is placed before the larger one. You are going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So X minus I. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 9. Now add all together. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. So the answer is 29. Second one, XIV, take the XIV. So X plus IV, take that separately because the smaller one is placed before the larger one. Take that separately. X plus IV. So value of X is 10. What is the value of IV? You all know, right? So V minus I. The smaller one is placed before the larger one. You're going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So V is larger. V minus I. So 5 minus 1. V is 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Now what are you going to do? These two you are going to add, right? So 29 plus 14. 29 plus 14. Add and tell me. 29 plus 14. So 9 plus 4, 13. 2, 3, 4, 40. See, the answer is 43. Now again you are going to change this into Roman numeral for 40. So 40 plus 3 shall we write? 40 plus 3. So what is the value of 40? 50 minus 10, right? So 50, value of 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, value of 50 is L minus X plus 3. How to write 3? I, right? So LX. What is the meaning? XL. When will you subtract? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you will subtract, right? So I'm placing this before XL plus I. So the answer is XL, I. I'll repeat it one more time. First find the value for XX, IX, X plus IX. 10 plus IX is 10 minus 1, 9. Add all together. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Now take the second one. XIV. X plus IV. X plus IV. What is the value of IV? 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. Now add all together. 29 plus 14. So answer is 43. Now change that again into Roman numeral. 40 plus 3. Value for 40 is XL plus 3. I. Answer is XL, I. So next one. So the next one is E sum. Next one is E sum XXXIX minus XIX. Again you are going to subtract this. XXIX minus XIX. So now take the first one. XXIX. Take the first one. Find the value in the change that into Indo-Arabic number. And take the second one. Change that again into Indo-Arabic number. Now, after that, you are going to subtract that. Shall we see? XXIX. XXIX. How to change it? X plus IX separately because the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So, IX. X plus IX. What is the value of X? 10. Again, one more X. 10. Again, one more X. 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. What is the value of IX? You know the value of IX. The smaller one is placed before the larger one. You're going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. X minus I. So 10 minus 1, 9. So the answer is 9. Now add all together. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. So the answer is 39. Shall we move on to the next one? XIX. Yes. XIX. What is the value of XIX? X plus IX. X plus IX. Here also same thing. The smaller one is placed before the larger one. Take that separately. X. What is the value of X? 10 plus what is the value of IX? X minus I. So 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 plus 9. 19. Answer is 19. Now what you are going to do? Now subtract these two. 39 minus 19. Subtract this. So what answer you will get? 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 20. Now this you are going to change into Roman numeral. What is the Roman numeral for 20? X plus 10 plus 10, 20. So X plus X. So the answer is XX. Clear, children? I'll repeat it one more time. First take the first one. XIX. Change that into Indo-Arabic number. So X plus IX. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. What is the value of IX? 10 minus 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. Add all together. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. Next one, XIX. X plus IX. What is the value of ix? You all know, right? 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. Now you're going to subtract this, right? X ix minus xix is equal to, value for ix is 39 minus xix value is 19. So the answer is 20. After that, what you're going to do? Subtract that. So value is 20. So Roman numeral, change that into Roman numeral. So the answer is xx. Now I've given you one worksheet. Finish the worksheet, children. Same, find the value of the following Roman numeral. First one, xcii plus lxxi. So first find the value for xcii. Then after that find the value for lxxi. Then add all together and change into Roman numeral. Second one, lx plus xi. Third one, xl minus xix. xcix minus xii. Finish the worksheet, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.